to my channel. Today I don't actually know what I'm doing yet, but I'm about to fake tan because on a Monday I fake tan. So I'm wearing this white Champion t-shirt, Adidas shorts. Now we're going to the hospital. We're going to pick up my nan and then we're going to hospital to see my granddad. It's well sunny again, but apparently for like the rest of the week, like tomorrow I think it's going to be like sunny with some clouds, and then for the rest of the week it's going to be raining. I hate rain. I'm back to college tomorrow. That means no shorts and t-shirts. Means leggings and t-shirts. Because I ain't wearing no shorts to college. We're now going... Oh, people. We're now going to get drinks downstairs because we're thirsty.
You can't be very loud.
I know. Every time I start vlogging, yeah, the people walk around the corner because obviously you're in hospital and there's like loads of people everywhere. Free shoot, chocolate, and
What?
crisps.
41p.
I've just had my lunch. I had hummus pita breads. I had 2, but I only could eat 1. I'm full. And then Ali Reddy's done that. Are you enjoying the sun, baby? Do you like the sun? Do you like the sun? Aww, you're so beautiful. Everybody find me somebody to love. We're now having kebabs. You can always rely on your little doggy. Can't you, baby? I'm gonna end my vlog now because I do it because she's video because jobs like